Ever wondered how many conversations you can really handle with Aisensy before hitting a wall? Let's dive into Aisensy's messaging limits and unlock strategies to scale your WhatsApp communication like a pro. First, understand that Aisensy, like WhatsApp itself, has limits to prevent spam. The number of contacts you can message depends on your account verification level, message quality, and overall activity. New businesses usually start with lower messaging tiers, gradually increasing as your reputation builds and messaging quality improves. Regularly check your WhatsApp business account quality rating. In the Facebook Business Manager, high rating unlocks higher sending limits. Now, let's optimize your outreach. Segment your audience. Don't send the same message to everyone. Targeted messaging increases engagement and avoids triggering spam. Filters. Use Aisensy's features to create custom audiences based on demographics, interests, and past interactions. Automate. Set up chatbots to handle frequently asked questions and routine tasks. This frees up your team to focus on more complex interactions and ensures you're not wasting valuable message credits. Aisensy allows you to create sophisticated flows that nurture leads and resolve issues efficiently. By understanding these limits, implementing smart strategies, and leveraging Aisensy's automation features, you can maximize your reach, engage with more people effectively, and build strong customer relationships.